In this video, I'll show you how to get USDT in Phantom Wallet using the swap method, even if USDT doesn't show up in your token list at first. First, open the Phantom Wallet app and unlock it. At the top, make sure you're on the Solana network, since we'll be swapping from SOL or another Solana token. Also check that you have some SOL in your wallet. You'll need it both as the token you're swapping from and to pay the network fee. On the main screen, tap the Swap button. In the From field, select SOL or another token you hold. In the To field, tap the search bar and type USDT. Even if USDT doesn't appear on your home screen, it should show up here as a swappable token. Choose USDT, Solana. Enter how much you want to swap, then tap Review Order. Check the rate, estimated USDT amount, and fees, and when you're happy, tap Confirm/Swap. Wait a few moments for the transaction to complete. If you still don't see USDT on the home screen, tap Manage Tokens/Search, type USDT and toggle USDT Solana on. Your new USDT balance will now be visible. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.